The first step in our technical analysis will be to establish the high and the low in our monthly and weekly charts. This to get a better feel of where the current momentum of price action is moving towards to or away from, and get a better sense of direction. Also, we will establish our macro or big picture target zone to identify key levels within the month. Here we go. On the top left, you're going to go to your monthly chart. Here we go. Next, you're going to scroll over the previous month candle. For me, it will be the candle of December. Here we go. Once you're on top of that candle, here on the top, you're going to find the details. O is for the opening level, H is for the highest level, L is for the low, and C is for the closing level. Alright, you're going to be focusing in the high and the low. The high is 147.94. So I'm going to grab my horizontal line, and I'm going to draw that level. And I like to use the color yellow for the monthly levels. Alright, and the low should be around there. Alright, the low is right here, 140.82. Perfect. Now we're going to move in closer to the weekly chart. Also, you're going to find the previous week candle right here. The levels of the previous month and the previous week are very important because price action will be always looking to touch or break those levels, okay? I'm going to grab the horizontal line, and I like to use the color orange for my weekly levels. That's the high, and then the low should be right there. Perfect. Alright, now you're going to move in closer to your daily chart. Here you're going to grab the vertical line, and you're going to draw the beginning and the end of the previous and the current month. Okay, so for me the previous month would be December, so I'm going to find December 1st. Right, it started on the 2nd. Perfect. And I like to use the color blue for the previous month. And the last day of December was the 31st. Now the first day of the current month, right, January. And I like to use the color red for the current month. And the last day of January, 31st. Excellent. Now we have created our macro target zone, and we can better see where price action is currently moving in this area there. So it can move this way if it goes up, or it can move this way if it moves down. Perfect. Now we're going to move in closer to the 1 hour chart to identify the key levels of our days within the week.